Hi everybody. I'm super bummed because I had thought my video was running and it wasn't. So here I am. The colors that I have down here are, this is aquamarine and a little bit of phthalo green. This is phthalo blue. And then this is Payne's Gray, and these are all Master's Touch paints. They've been mixed with Floetrol and Gluol. 1 part Gluol, 2 parts Floetrol, and 1 part paint with just water to blend it so that it was the right consistency. We always go for that honey-like consistency. The aquamarine and phthalo green has 1 pump of the coconut hair serum, and that has the dimethicone in it. And then the Payne's Gray and the phthalo blue have 1 tiny drop of the treadmill lubricant. So basically I've poured it into a wave shape. Negative space is white. I'm gonna have to pull off some of these spots of blue, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna basically start manipulating the wave shape. I'm doing this for myself because all of my paintings have sold. All of my wave paintings have sold. And so I want one of my own. Yesterday I sold a painting to a guy that, he was really sweet. He was telling me that he has some type of jellyfish, glass bone jellyfish or something that he has in his house, and he was going for a ocean theme in his house, and so he was really excited to buy this painting, and it was really hard for me to see it go away. But I'm excited to make another one. It just kind of forces me to make another one. So as you can see, I'm just kind of manipulating this shape around, and we're gonna have to add more color, but I want it to look somewhat like a wave, but also a little bit abstract. I don't like my stuff to look perfect. I'm not going for a perfect wave shape. I'm going for more of like the feeling of a wave. But as you can see, some really cool stuff is happening already. You know, just all of the cells that are forming. This guy needs to be moved back into the wave. This guy needs to move down. See if I can get that down inside of the other colors. So I usually do this in a time lapse, but I'm deciding to do it in real time today. I'm going to tilt this just a little bit just to kind of see what happens with these cells, because they're really cool. And again, I want it to be more of like a abstract wave than a real looking wave. I just want that wave shape, and that's all. I really like the movement in here. This part needs to be fixed. And I really want to take the airbrush and play with the edges here. So I'm going to pour some more. This is something that I can definitely go back in later and add color to. I can add white. I can do whatever I want because I'm the artist, right? So I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. But I want this to kind of move like this. And I do want this to kind of go more in a little bit of a wave shape. I like how that's feathering out right there. But I love the cells. I love all of this stuff that's happening. I'm gonna try to do another swipe up here and see if I can open up these cells. So what I'm gonna do, I feel like it needs to be tilted just a little bit more, maybe in this direction here. I don't want to cover up. Yeah. One of my favorite parts of this painting is this right here. So let's see if we can open that up a little bit. I'm so excited about this.